Ever wondered if your money is really yours? Like, really yours? You know, the kind of yours you can access instantly without any funny business. That's the burning question today, isn't it? So, let's dive into the world of Chime and find out if your money is as immediate as their catchy jingles promise. We live in a world where convenience is king. From ordering groceries with a tap to hailing a ride in seconds, instant gratification has become the norm. So, it's only natural that we expect the same level of speed when it comes to our money. But is that a realistic expectation? Let's break it down. What is Chime? First things first, what exactly is Chime? It's a financial technology company that offers fee-free banking services. They've gained popularity for their user-friendly app and promise of fast access to your funds. But does it live up to the hype? Chime Speed Features. Chime boasts several features designed to get your money to you quickly. Let's break them down. Direct deposit. Chime often claims to offer early access to direct deposits. This means you might be able to see your paycheck a couple of days before your payday. It's like getting a mini payday advance, right? But it's essential to understand that this isn't always the case. It depends on when your employer submits the payroll information. Spot Me. This is Chime's overdraft protection feature. Basically, it allows you to overdraw your account by a small amount. It's like a safety net, right? But remember, it's not alone. It's an overdraft protection service that comes with certain conditions. The fine print. While these features sound great, it's crucial to read the fine print. Not all direct deposits qualify for early access. And Spot Me has its limitations. It's not a guaranteed way to avoid overdraft fees. So, while Chime offers some speed benefits, it's not a magic money machine. Instant versus immediate. Let's clarify something. Instant and immediate aren't the same. Instant implies happening without any delay, while immediate suggests happening very soon. Chime offers features that can make your money available sooner than with traditional banks, but it doesn't guarantee instant access. Factors affecting speed. Several factors can influence how quickly your money is available. Type of transaction, deposits, withdrawals, and transfers have different processing times. Time of day. Banks often process transactions in batches, so the time you initiate a transaction can impact when the funds are available. Banks' policies. Each bank has its own rules about when funds are available. Real-world examples. To give you a better idea, let's look at some real-world examples. We'll compare Chime to traditional banks and discuss scenarios where you might experience delays. User experiences. What do real Chime users say? We'll dive into some user reviews and testimonials to get a first-hand look at people's experiences with money availability. Alternatives to Chime. Chime isn't the only option out there. We'll explore some other fintech companies and traditional banks that offer similar features or faster access to funds. So, is money immediately available with Chime? The short answer is, it depends. While Chime offers features designed to speed up access to your money, it's essential to understand that instant gratification isn't always guaranteed. Factors like the type of transaction, time of day, and bank policies play a significant role. It's crucial to weigh the pros and cons of different banking options and choose the one that best suits your needs. Remember, financial decisions should be based on facts, not just flashy marketing claims. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.